there, Ritija. How are you?
Thank you for asking. I'm doing well. I'm excited to be here today for this interview and to learn more about the opportunity.
Tell me about yourself shortly.
Good morning. Myself Rituja Jalindar Doke. I belong to Narayangao. I am a final year B Pharmacy student, right now learning in Modern College of Pharmacy. In last semester, I have scored 8.4 SGPA. I have completed my 12th standard from Mahatma Gandhi Junior College at Manchester. Then I have completed my 10th board from ICSC, and school is Bloomingdale International School. How fortunate I was to be educated at one of the best schools of our village, which has added a spark to my confidence and will always be a part of my persona all my life. Right now I am working as an intern at Beaver Life Science. I have also completed my 1-month industrial training at Premium Serums and Vaccines. Then I have also completed my 1-month industrial training at New Life Pharmaceuticals. These all have given me a depth knowledge on pharmaceutical manufacturing and quality control department. I also had an hand-on experience in various responsibilities, including manufacturing in accordance with GMPs. Overall, this platform has a very huge contribution in my skills development and enhanced my knowledge about pharmaceutical industries. I have also completed few certification courses in different fields, like exploring issues in women health. Then I have completed a certification course in drug development process. I have also taken some training on COVID-19 effective nursing in the time of crisis. Then I have completed government online certification program in intellectual property rights and also in soft skill development. I have also certified with collecting high quality adverse drug reactions. I have actively participated in many group discussion competitions as well as debate competition. I have successfully completed the Good Clinical Practice course, which was organized by NIDA, Clinical Trials Network. I have gained some knowledge about project management and product management as well. I am a very self-motivated person. I have a good grasping power, which also helps me in my academics and will surely help me in my further journey. I work good as an individual as well as in groups. I also possess good leadership qualities. I like meeting new people. There is so much beauty in this world that I would like to see with my own eyes.
It sounds good, Rituja. What are your hobbies?
Outside of work, I enjoy reading, cooking, dancing, learning new languages, sports, and I do like to travel. These all hobbies give me a positive impact on my life. Engaging in sports helps me develop my physical health, and which ultimately develops my mental health as well, which makes me energetic and I could work for a long time.
What do you understand by clinical trial protocols?
Clinical trial protocol, it is a document that describes the objective, design, methodology and statistical consideration and organization of a trial. The protocol usually also gives the background and rationale for the trial.
What do you mean by ICGCP principles?
GCP is the Good Clinical Practices. It is an international ethics and scientific quality standard for designing, conducting, recording and reporting trials that involves the participation of human subject. Compliance with this standard provides public assurance that the rights, safety and well-being of a trial subject are protected.
Yes. Can you name different stakeholders involved in the clinical trials?
There are many stakeholders involved in the clinical trials, which includes sponsor, CRO, then there is investigator side, patient, ethics committee, then many labs are also involved, which can be local or central, then regulatory experts, then archival management.
Do you know ethical committee and its function?
Yes, sure. Ethics committee is an independent body which is constituted of medical professionals as well as non-medical professionals, whose responsibility is to ensure the protection of rights, safety and well-being of human subjects involved in the trial, and to provide public assurance of the protection by amongst other things. These also help in reviewing, approving and providing favorable opinions on trial protocol.
Do you understand about LAR?
LAR, it is the legally acceptable representative. He is an individual or any other body that is authorized under applicable law who is on behalf of the subject participates in the clinical trial.
Okay. What is the impartial witness?
Impartial witness. Impartial witness is a person who is independent of the trial, like who is not, who cannot be unfairly influenced by people involved in the trial, who attends the informed consent process if the subject or the subject legal representative cannot read. So he is the one who reads the informed consent form for the patient.
What do you understand by the investigator?
Investigator is a person who is responsible for the conduct of clinical trial at the trial site. If the trial is conducted by the team of individuals at a trial site, the investigator is responsible and leader of the team and can be called as principal investigator.
What is the different regulatory requirement and authority of India and say for the global region like US and Europe?
Okay. First of all, the regulatory requirement is NDCT rules and the regulatory authority for India is CDSCO. Then talking about globally, ICH guidelines are mandatory requirements. Talking about US, we have US FDA and European Authority for Europe.
Do you know what is SAE?
SAE, it is the serious adverse event. It can be it is a pre-approval of clinical experience with new medicinal products and its new usage. It can be said as untoward reaction which can be caused at a given dose of drug.
Can you differentiate between AE and SAE?
Okay. First of all, AE, it is an untoward medical response to a patient or in clinical investigation subject by administrating the product, which is not necessarily it is caused by the drug. While in SAE, it is said that it should be caused by the drug itself, and in AE, it is not mandatory that it is caused by the drug even.
Do you know about the COA?
COA, it is the Certificate of Analysis. It is a document that summarizes all the tests performed on the product and gives the needed reassurance to the customer. Essential document, it is one of the essential document in most of the companies.
What does blinding means in the clinical trials?
Blinding, it is a procedure in which one or more parties in the trial are kept unaware of the treatment assignment. Single blinding usually refers to subject being unaware, and in double blinding, the subject, investigator, monitor, and in some cases, data analyst is also kept unaware.
Okay. What is the IV?
IV, it is the investigation voucher. It is a compliance of clinical and non-clinical data of the investigating product, that can be a drug, which is relevant to the study of investigational product in human subject. It is a comprehensive document summarizing the body of information about an investigational product obtained during the drug trial.
Can you provide an example of challenge you face in your real life and how you overcome it?
Okay, I would like to share one of my experience at GMRT, that is Giant Microwave Radio Telescope. It was like a ritual for me. I used to participate each year there. It holds a national science exhibition which is conducted on 28th of February. So when I was in my 12th standard, we decided to make a water activated flashlight. It required a lot of stuff, out of which was not available at nearby store. So we ordered them online and we invested a lot, huge amount, and we prepared the model. We were working on it 2 months ago, the science exhibition, and the day before exhibition we just tested it and it did not work due to a short circuit into it. So that was the moment we had only two options, either to step back or to go with something basic. So at that point I made a new project a day before. So that was a very challenging part of my life, and I overcome it with a positive approach, and I prepared a new model, that is intensity controlled bulb.
Okay, that sounds good, Rituja. Last question. What makes you different and why should we hire you?
I believe I am a great fit for this role. I am a self-motivated person and I give my 100% to any task that is given to me. That is why I have been able to do good in my academics as well, and surely I do the same for any project that is given to me. Then I also work well in both individual and also in team member. That is why I have a multi-solo and team projects as well. Overall, I believe I can contribute a lot to the organization with my skills, and well, I have all the skills and experience that you listed in the job description. I am confident and ready to make an impact on the organization. Being a fresher, I can learn new things and adaptive and flexible in nature. I will give my full potential to contribute to growth of this company.